In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your board into a template. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across your projects, especially when handling similar types of work repeatedly. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First off, make your way over to the board you want to convert into a template. This is the board that contains either a task setup or structure that you'd likely want to duplicate in the future. Opening the relevant board is our starting point, setting the foundation for transforming it into something reusable. Once you're looking at your chosen board, the next thing you'll want to do is access the board menu. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the board screen. There, you'll find a three-dot icon. This is sometimes known as the More Options menu, and it's your gateway to accessing various board settings and actions. Click on this three-dot menu to open up a list of options. Within this list, look for the option that says Save as Template. Selecting this option is key. It's how we begin the process of storing our board setup for future use. After you've selected Save as Template, you'll be prompted to customize your template settings. This part is all about tailoring the template to suit your future needs. First, think of a suitable name for your template, something that'll make it clear and recognizable when you come back to use it. If you'd like, you can also add a description here. This can serve as a handy reference point down the line, giving more context or reminders about what this specific setup is ideal for. Next, decide whether you want your template to include the current items that are on the board. If this particular set of tasks or elements is something you'll want preserved, make sure to include them. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a clean slate to occasionally start fresh, then saving it as an empty template would be more suitable. Once you're satisfied with how you've set up your template settings, all that's left to do is save it. By clicking Save, your template settings will be locked in, making sure that whenever you need to replicate this particular board setup, you can do so quickly and seamlessly. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully turned your board into a template. This will undoubtedly prove useful in your ongoing and future projects, providing efficiency and consistency when you need it most. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy organizing.